What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey y'all, I just finished uploading the UNC Black Toes, the Air Jordan 1s, the video and the review for those. Make sure y'all check that video out. It was preloaded before this one, so it's nice to see right there on the channel. So just go ahead and do a quick view of that. Scroll through, see if you liked it. Put a little comment in there, the little like button, and your boy appreciates y'all. So again, thanks for all y'all out there, and making sure that y'all sharing the channel, make sure that y'all subscribing to the channel, make sure y'all liking the channel. I appreciate all that, y'all. It just keeps me sitting here and making this content, these reviews, and eventually I think I'll sit there and evolve from just doing the review and talking a little bit more on the video and bringing up some sneaker topics out there. So, but today's sneaker is another victim of the time of release, and I've said that already before on some other videos. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's when sneaker releases that's not a bad colorway, it's not a bad sneaker, but around the time that it gets released, it's either deemed like a like a brick, or it just doesn't sell out. So it was a brick. So yeah, even though it's a dope sneaker, it's just it fails to bring the hype behind it, right? Which, I mean, right now though, it's so I live in Florida, so right now it's back to school. So I'm kind of surprised this sneaker sat and didn't sell out because of that. But at the same time, it released around the shadow of the Air Jordan 1 Low bread toes. I mean, the bread, no, not the bread toes, the black toes, the red joints. And we're gonna get to that review here in the next couple of reviews, because I got those sitting here too. So, but it released the day after that release, and those were a little bit more sought after than these, even though those are still sitting on some websites and restocking like crazy. So, all right, well, you know what? Let me just quit talking and show y'all what sneaker I'm talking about. And the sneaker I'm getting ready to show y'all, it comes in this box. Boom. All right, y'all. And you guys that are a favorite, that have this silhouette as a favorite, know what silhouette typically comes in this style of box. And of course, y'all, if y'all watch the channel enough, y'all know that it's my favorite silhouette. So let me just get reading the label. So the label reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. It is white, true red, wolf gray, and it is a size 9.5. And what we got here, ladies and gents, is the Air Jordan 13 wolf gray. And what is wrong with people? What is wrong with people? This sneaker is dope. Check it out. First impressions of the sneaker, y'all, is dope. I mean, tumbled leather on the upper and on the toe box, the suede on the midsole, and around back. You know what it looks like? As a matter of fact, I'm looking up at my my collection over here, and it could look like those Baron 13s, except that of course the Baron 13's got a gray on the front, and also pretty much like the I want to say it's almost like the cherry 13s, except of course cherry 13s got red suede over here, and they got the black sole on the bottom, but it's pretty close to looking like cherry 13s, and the quality is straight dope. Again, another victim of the release time of the year for these. So but y'all gonna get to look at them real quick when I show them up close and personal to y'all. So these definitely are dope, and if I encourage y'all, I only bought one pair because I just wanted to make sure that it looks good. But as soon as these hit a restock and I can find a sale or use some points on them, which brings me back to this. I won these on a Foot Locker raffle, in-store raffle, and when I went to the Foot Locker, it showed on my profile that I'm got military discount. they let me apply military discount to these. Typically, they don't let you do those on a release day, on a brand new Jordan release. So I was like, oh, I ain't gonna say nothing. I'll take it. But so I got these at below retail on release day. So let me catch another pair with even cheaper. I'll definitely cop it. So, all right, let's get these in front of the camera, get them zoomed in so you guys can get a closer look at them and make y'all determination on whether y'all like these or not. So, all right, y'all, let's do it. All right, y'all, well, here we got the Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays. And as y'all can tell, these things are beauties. I'm telling y'all, they're beautiful. Oh, let me get this hair off of it. Saw that right there. But look at the quality on that leather, man. It looks so dope. I don't know why it's wrong with people not copping the sneaker, because I tell you what, no matter the hype, no matter, you know, release time, this is a good crafted sneaker. Look at the, you guys know how I am about the suede. Look at the suede, man. Dope. Suede is dope. The leather is dope. You got your pantherized in the back. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know why people passed up on these, because these are so dope. Check it out. You got your typical sole, Jordan 13 sole right there. You know, nothing new to that. And it looks nice and red. I like that. But yeah, like I said, I don't know why people passed up on these. These were definitely a dope cop. And like I told y'all, I was able to cop these with military discount. Man, I was so happy that happened. So, but here we are, and nobody are really copping these. But you know what? Hey, I'll cop another pair at a discounted price. So it's all right. All right, y'all. Well, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about these Air Jordan 13s. What y'all think about the quality. Man, these are dope. I love them. And let me know what y'all think about the video so far, about the up-close reviews. And, bro, there's nothing more but to get back in front of this camera, give our final comments and thoughts on the sneaker and the quality, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 13 Wolf Grays. It's sad to see that these didn't get the hype they should receive, because these are dope. Quality is definitely there, just a victim of the release time. So make sure y'all go out and get a copy, you know, a pair of these, y'all. Even if it's at, you know, below retail, or you got some finish line coupons you can use or whatever, go out and get a pair of these. These are dope. I promise y'all, I won't get let down on the quality of these sneakers. So, all right, well, let me know in the comment section what you thought about the video. Let me know if I'm heading in the right way with these reviews, and make sure you hit that like button if y'all stood this far and watched the video, so that way we keep climbing, y'all. And again, I got some more reviews to do. Got plenty of sneakers to do them on, and we're gonna get them done. So there's nothing more else to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.